Hello, my name is John. I'm a final year UL student and I completed my STIM teacher internship program with the top 20 global pharmaceutical company, Astellas. Astellas produce, manufactures and packages life-saving drugs to be shipped around the world. They have two sites in Ireland, one in Dublin and its main Irish plant here in Kerry. Astellas produce many different life-saving drugs such as immunosuppressants. These drugs are used in adults and children who have had organ transplants to control their body's immune response, enabling their body to accept the transplanted organ and prevent rejection. The production of antifungal medication used to treat fungal infections in stem cell transplant patients, as well as the recently launched new cancer medication used for treating adults with advanced urethral cancers. During my internship, I was lucky to work on-site in Astellas' main site in Clorgan, County Kerry. During my time at Astellas, I was a part of the Quality Control Lab Analyst team. I mainly worked in a lab office hybrid where I had my own desk and computer where I would carry out my own work. In my role as a lab analyst, I worked on the analysis and inspection of physical raw materials for the medication produced at Astellas prior to production. This allowed me to use a variety of lab equipment to ensure that all raw material met high quality standards before production could begin. An important skill I learned in this role was the importance of using technology such as computer software program. I mainly used a software system called Laboratory Information Management System, or LIMS for short. LIMS is a software system used in the majority of labs across the world. I primarily use LIMS for result entry and sampling of raw material prior for inspection. LIMS allowed me to effectively manage samples and associated data. Additionally, it allowed me to produce reliable results more quickly to improve efficiency. During my STIM teacher internship at Astellas, I was allowed to visit many different other departments of the company such as production, where I had to garb up before entering the production lines. As well as this, I also visited other labs in Astellas, such as the microlab as well as the environmental lab. I also worked on other projects during my time at Astellas, such as writing and producing information leaflets for the Astellas bi-weekly newsletter, informing all staff of current company updates and the status of product launches, as well as the preparation of a routine room where I would sort and organise retail materials prior to upcoming audits.